Hi, my name's Andrew. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to review a fundraising investor database case study, and this is for a private equity fund client in the USA, and they are targeting Hong Kong, the investor database. If you watch my previous videos, you know that you can click my Fiverr link below to get information on investor databases for venture capital, private equity, angel groups. I also do pitch deck reviews. If you're looking to send your pitch deck out to investors, I have a service on Fiverr where I review it. Approximately 80% of the pitch decks that I receive are not suitable to be sent out to investors. So this video highlights a comprehensive database of Hong Kong fund investors I recently created for a USA-based client. So what is this client looking for? This client is looking for $100 million US, and it is a private equity fund. For confidentiality reasons, I'll just leave it very vague. And although they're looking globally, this particular database I have been asked to create is just for Hong Kong to start off with. And the database sources are going to be private equity, family investment office, fund of funds, and other high net worth individuals and contacts. And they're really looking for about 500 contacts out of the Hong Kong region. Of course, that's going to include a lot of Chinese ultra high net worth clients. How do I find these investors? I have a master database of over 250,000 contacts, and that includes venture capital contacts, private equity, angel investor, hedge funds, and a large amount of high net worth individual investors. So what did the final database include? In total, I was able to find them 400 contacts, and it had 400 emails, about 240 LinkedIn addresses, and 400 websites. And this also included key contacts with titles and their email addresses. So let's take a look at the database. So all my database searches start on this dashboard, and as you can see here, I have 252,000 contacts, and again, that's venture capital, private equity, hedge funds, family investment offices, and investment banks, everything that has to do with raising capital. And it is an updated database that has not only emails but LinkedIn's in some cases. And for example, if I were to start off with just a simple search of tech and not hit any country or city, then I'm going to come up with 4,455 contacts. If I wanted to narrow that down a bit, for example, let's say somebody was specifically looking for New York as the city, then I would have 217 contacts to take a look at in that case. And then I would simply go here, take a look at the see results, and I could export the search results onto an Excel spreadsheet. So that's how I start off with all my searches for my clients. So now we're over on the database portion, and you can see this is the initial screening that I've done from my investor database dashboard, and I came up with about 1,500 that were all Hong Kong. And from this particular list, I had to filter it down based on the client's requirements. And if I click the client version here, you can see we come up with 400 contacts. Many of them are going to have the contact name. You can see we've got a lot of single, multifamily office, fund of funds, other larger investment companies here, websites, their LinkedIn addresses, their emails, the sectors, of course, we have as well. And this is obviously a blend of not only individuals but company contacts, and you can see so that is the database that this client is going to be using. This is just the first section of the work that I have for this client. They've asked me to help them look all on a global basis, but they've decided to choose Hong Kong first, and then from there we're going to be moving on to other parts of Asia, the Middle East, UK, and the United States at last. Are you looking for updated investor databases? My database has over 250,000 verified global contacts. You can also check out the full database of family investment offices. This is the perfect way to access ultra high net worth investors, and I have them in a number of countries and sectors, and you can see it on the chart below. You can contact me on my Fiverr profile. Click my Fiverr link below for more information on my databases. Thank you for watching.